too tight, just because this is the feet side.
Let's go.
Wait, hold on. She has to put it on.
Let me stretch it out.
That's why it was so. Where are you gonna go, BJ? Where are you gonna go?
I'm gonna go this way.
Do that again.
Pull it.
I'm gonna go. Oh, that is
You got it
tight.
on? I told you it's tight.
She got it on.
Ready? Go this way. Ready?
When I was trying to read
No.
it.